Welcome to the class. In this class, we will extend our discussion of data table, which is under the subject of data interpretation, with the help of this example. This example was asked in IBPS Common Written Examination of PO in 2011. So, this is a data table, and we all know that data tables are headed by the table heading, which actually gives the information about data contained in the table. So the direction to question number 41 and to 45, study the following table carefully to answer the questions that follow. Percentage of marks obtained by different students in different subjects of MBA. So here we see that the table gives information about the percentage of marks obtained. Not the actual marks, but the percentage of marks obtained by different students in different subjects of MBA. Okay, so in the column 1 itself, the name of the students are given: Anusha, Archita, Arpan, Garvita, Gunita, and Pranita. And then in subsequent columns, the subjects with the maximum marks of MBA are written. So, as the table heading says, percentage of marks. So, in strategic management, that is, the full marks is 150, and Anusha is getting 66% of marks out of 150. Percentage of marks. That is the important thing in this question, in this data interpretation question, that Anusha is getting 66% of 150. So in order to get the actual marks in strategic management, we have to multiply 150 into 0.66. In the same way, she is getting 75% marks in brand management, which is of 100 marks paper. So 75% of 100 is 75. So in this case, Anusha is getting 75 marks in brand management. Here also she is getting 88% of compensation management. So in order to get the actual marks, 150 multiplied by 0.88. So this is the only thing that we have to consider while solving the questions of this table. So let's go ahead, start solving the question number. First of all, question number 41. How many marks did Anusha get in all the subjects together? So we have to calculate all the marks, total marks of Anusha. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 subjects. This is just the addition of the marks of each of the subject, taking under consideration that these are the percentage of marks obtained, not the actual marks. So we can say total marks of Anusha, that is equal to 150 into 0.66 for this subject, strategic management. Then 100 into 0.75 plus this 150 into 0.88 plus 125 into 0.56 plus 75 into 0.56 plus 50 into 0.9. Okay, so this is the addition of 150 into 0.66. Here we are getting 0.66, 150 into 0.8. Let's combine this and this together. So we are getting 150 into 0.66 plus 0.88, that is 8 plus 6, that is 14. 1 is borrowed. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, that is 15. We can use such kind of things to make it quickly. So this is out and this is out. This is very simple. 100 into 0.75, that is 75. That is simple. Again 0.56 here and 0.56 here, we can take common to both of them. that will be 0.56, and in the bracket 125 plus 75, that is 200. That becomes easy. Then 50 into 0.9, we can do it directly, 45. Okay, so 15 into 1.4, 54. 15 4 is 60, 0, 6, 15 5 is 75, 15 5 is 75 plus 6, that is 81, that is 75 plus 6, 75 plus 6, that is 81, 1, 8, 15, 1 ja 15 plus 8, that is 15 plus 8 is 20 plus 3, 23. Okay, so here we are getting 231 plus we are getting here 75 as it is, plus 0.56 into 200, 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is 10 plus 11, that is 112 plus 45. So 231, 75, 45, 112, 5 5 10, 11, 13, 3, 1, then 7 plus 3 10 plus 14, 14 plus 1 15 plus 1 16, 6, and 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 66, 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 6 3. So we are getting 4 6 3, that is the total marks of Anusha in all the subjects together. So yeah, that is simple actually, but that actually needs with calculation. Okay, so let's move to the second question. Question number 42. Question number 42. 42 question. Let's read this question. Marks obtained by Garvita in brand management are what percent of marks obtained by Archit in the same subject, rounded off to 2 digits after decimal. So marks obtained by Garvita. So marks obtained by Garvita. Garvita's marks in brand management, let's write it in this manner, is what percent. If it is X percent of marks obtained by Archit in the same subject, so we have to here calculate X, which is equal to Garvita marks in brand management multiplied by 100, because X percent means X by 100, divided by marks obtained by Archit in brand management. So Garvita's marks in brand management, let's see, brand management's marks are in this column. Garvita marks is 88. 88% of 100, that is 88. So basically it is 88 divided by Archit marks, that is 76% of 100, that is 76, multiplied by 100, that is so simple. It will go from 4, 4 1 ja 4, 3 6 9, and here 2 2. So approximate round after 2 digits after decimal. If you look at the options, we get here, if it is 22 divided by 19 into 100, so it must be more than 100. It is more than 100, but here the options, in option 5 none of these is given, so we will have to calculate it, because it is given in the question that rounded off to 2 digits after decimal. Had this option not given, then we could have applied the applied, you could have eliminated some of the options and would have reached the correct option. But since none of these is given and it is written in the question that it has to be rounded off to 2 digits after decimal, so we'll have to do this simple calculation. 22 by 19 is not difficult. 1 9, we are going to get 3, then point 0, again here we get 1, we get 19, we get 11. So 11, then here we get 0, then after 19 5s are 95, 95, here we get 15, then again 0. So it seems this option is correct. Again 19 7 ja, yes, 7 9 ja 63, 3, then 6, 7 1 ja 7 plus 6 33. So you'll get 7 and 1, so that is 0. So 7 after 7 definitely we are getting 9, because here you're getting 9. So that seems to be correct, and that is the correct option. So here we are getting actually 1.1579 into, and that will also be an approximate because it will be 1.1578 and something. So 115.79. So that is the percent, that is the correct option, that is the correct answer. So the option 3 is correct. So we will see, we will solve the question number 43 to 45 in the next class.